Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. JB, this is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, today I came on live for respond on the which are the floods came and which are the extremely heavy rain batters the districts. I came for respond on those. Friends, right now the Kamareddy and Medak Nirmal districts are uh, facing the problem due to the flood, heavy flood and stream also. The entire town and the cities all are inundated and the lakes also overflowing. Even there is no any measurements and any the casualties registered from those districts. Really very sad. The lakhs of people, they are facing the problem, and really I am first of all expressing my regret toward the people and public. Where is the government, what they are doing? This is a rain season. Incessant rain also coming down. Meteorological department also day to day they are giving the updates, what is the rain situation. Even the government hadn't to take any measurements and any responsibility toward the flood and streams. Still now there is no any updates and any casualties hadn't registered, yet to be ascertained. That is why I am responding. And government, this year those districts affected due to the flood and stream, many live bodies and vehicles all are inundated and washed out. Even the flood also came on the flow, the road. That is why rescue teams also, the national and state rescue teams, they are rescued only thousands people. Lakhs of people, they are right now in the danger situation. They are facing the problem. Last year also Khammam and Warangal and the Mulugu districts, those were affected, and the flood and stream was came, and the all are were nearby the villages and houses the washed out, and the many lives also was died. That time also government completely failed. That time also they hadn't to take the measurements, and they hadn't to give the any facilities to them. That time also failed. Right now also they are behaving like that. Where is the CM, where is the ministries, where is the concerned officials, where is the civil bodies, and who are the responsible person, and who are the concerned officials, where they are, are not are they not have any responsibility toward the situation and the flood? I am asking one question. The where from the flood, where from the heavy streams come, we couldn't estimate. That is why government be cautious and be attention toward the season. Many cases were registered, different kind of different like the water bodies and the waterborne cases and the seasonal diseases also registering day to day. That one also have been increasing. Really the hospital management and hospital also be cautious and be attention toward the patients and which are the pandemic epidemic diseases should be cautious and should be give the good treatment to them for the recovery, speedy recovery. Right now not only this flood situation, across the Telangana state people and public, they are facing the more than more problem. One of the farmers problem and one of the seasonal diseases and another one is right now the floods and streams problem. That is why government where there the problem, which are the main problems, which we have to do, such like the government should be cautious and should be attention, but still no, there is no any responsibility and the even CM and who are the ministers, they hadn't to go there and they hadn't to take the responsibility on that. Really very sad about this government completely, last year also failed and this year also they are showing like that is why really I am very sad about this government. The last previous government, which was ruled government, they that time they were being attention and that time they take the all measurements and they took the all measurements. They hadn't to behave like this government. This government completely showing the negligence and carelessness toward the public and people. That is why such like incidents that registering and that rising day to day, that have been continuing. Friends, what is your opinion on the situation and on this government? Comment on the comment box. Why the government not given the minute to minute bulletin about the casualties, how much casualties registered, how many members they were evacuated to the rehabilitation center, how much food they are supplied them, who are the needed people who are on the right now crucial situation, who are facing the crucial situation. The government hadn't give the any casualties, any updates about the floods. Not only the farmers crops also, the paddy crops also washed out and filed with the sand flood, completely filed and all the power poles also fallen and fallen and entered where there the major rain came, there was the completely roads also washed out. The roads situation problem and poles, the electricity problem and transport problem and the seasonal diseases, these all are the and farmers problems. Right now these all problems are the giving the so much of hazardous to the public and civic body. Where is the government? What they are doing? There is no any updates. There is no how the government bring back and restore the situation. That is why government should be take the measurements and should be give the updates minute to minute. then after the public and people and civic body, they be caution and be away
Peace.
from be
Peace.
about the situation. But there is no any responsibilities, any, how much they measured about the situation, about the flood and streams. Really very sad, and immediately government take the responsibility. This is a not normal situation, war. This is the warfarely. They have to take the responsibility warfarely, but they are going and wander, seeing the situation, and they are giving the votes, but there is no any help. There is no any help to them. How much commodities they are given to them. Even the opposition fellows also, they are going and they are taking the snaps and videos, and they are saying with their words, but they are not giving the any updates. We are given the such like commodities and such like facilities to them who are in the rescue, in the who are in the problem, that not they are giving the such like updates and such like measures and such like report about the floods and streams. Only they are wondering what is the use of such like seeing and giving the words. How they can relief, how can they come out from the situation, who are the public and people right now who are in the rescue. This is really sad situation going on. That is why government and the civil body, the who are the mandal officials and the collector, district collector, all are should be take the responsibility and should be immediately, first of all, immediately give the report and give the updates on the, especially how many members you are evacuated to the rehabilitation center. First of all, this is the main question to the government, should be give the on the report. There is no reports, there is no any measures, and there is no any casualties measures. They are not released and they are not given the any updates. Really very very sad, friends. Everyone should be respond on the situation, and the nearby the who are the social reformers and civic body and should be take the responsibility. You are also one of the part of the society. That is why everyone should be respond on the situation and give the reports. Many members who are the media and who are the they are taking the video and they are taking the reports from the where is the Sitaka. I am asking one question to especially Sitaka. Last year when the flood came, the time in the Mulugu, Warangal, Khammam, the time Sitaka, he rose her voice about the situation and flood for giving the flight for bring back to the people who are struck, who are in the flood. The time she said and she wept that time. Right now
for the
helicopter and for giving the helicopter, that time she wept. Right now where why she not the weeping about the situation, about the condition, about the problem. Right now many members are rose their hands, raising their hands for help. Why this government not provide the helicopters for bring back the who are right now struck in the flood. Right now why they hadn't, many members who are the ministers, they are using the helicopter. The helicopters are the government helicopters. They are using the government money. Only they are using the helicopters for the attending the marriage, attending the meeting, attending the any functions, attending the any conference, such like they are using. But right now why they not using their helicopter for bring out them from the flood? Why the government showing the negligence toward the situation, and who are the right now in the problem? I am asking this question. That is why this is clear cutly showing one thing. They are only selfish fellow. Only they are using for their uses and their what their needs. Only they are using the flights. Right now why not, I am asking. That is why all are the civic body and public and people give the tit for tat, to the next election. Give the lesson to who are the right now not giving the any help, and giving the any specialties, and showing the any responsibility. Should be give the next election, and should be won't cost the vote them. This is the that one, friends. I am asking another question also. Where they are, who are the social reformers, like that, always they are previous time they given their voice behalf of the issues, behalf of the victim, behalf of the problem. Right now where they are, such like the Akunuri Murli and Danki Dayakar and Praveen Kumar, R.S. Praveen Kumar, and the Surapalli Sujataka, and another fellow also who is the Barelakka. Where they are, the many people who that time came on the road and they rose their voice. Right now where they are not, right? Why they have not come out, and why they not giving the any voice behalf of the problem? Right now the 3 districts completely inundated, and completely that sinked, and the town and cities all are inundated with the flood and with the stream. Where they are, really this one very sad. And the people and public also should be cautious, and be away from the water bodies. Where there the water bodies filled with the water, should be away from, and should be take the measures, and should be take the precautions about the situation. This is a rain season, incessant rain also coming down, and the floods, streams, all the water bodies completely the overflowed, and completely filled with the water. That is why you are also one of the responsible person about the society. That is why you also should be away and should be cautious. Won't go to outside when the rain coming time. Sometimes the thunderstorms and lightning also coming down. Who are the farmers, when they are doing the farm works, the crop works, field work, that time also they be cautious, especially farmers. Why I am saying especially farmers means, who are the farmers, they anytime they doing that their work, anytime they always in the field side, at the field side. That is why the rain time, that the thunderstorm and lightning time should be come from the field to home. Should be stay in the home only. Don't go outside. In the with rain not coming time, go and you do your duty. This is my message to the especially farmers and all civic body and all public and people. And especially I am very sad about this ruling government. This is my message, friends. Everyone should be respond and should be give the voice behalf of the situation and condition, and who are the right now in the problem, give the message. Thank you, friends. JB.